Day I saw the greenest pines brush the brightest, bluest skies I've ever seen. And I smelt the northern air and the gunpowder drifting everywhere. When I saw my son holding his, can't explain what it is that made me feel so free. And if this had to be my last day, there wouldn't be any other way that I'd rather it be. Sons, guns, and grandsons make a perfect day for me. As my rifle sang its song and it echoed all along and through the trees, as they watched on as I took aim, I knew the good Lord was watching over me. And I found peace and happiness in the sounds and in his grins, and I was right where I wanted to be. And I can't imagine anyone trying to take any one of these three things away from me. Sons, guns, and grandsons, you can't take them away from me. When it seems the world has lost its mind and the devil is pulling all the strings, when it seems all hope is lost and love ain't even worth a wedding ring, I know to be true, the devil will get his due, and that, my friend, you can believe. The good book says that in the hand it's guaranteed that we win, and that right there is good enough for me. And my sons, guns, and grandsons, my sons, guns, and grandsons, that day we were free.